I think it's day 10 today. We've just deducted that today, blah. We've deducted, if I could speak, we've deducted that today is day 10. Great little campsite here at 3 Mile Dam. Trucks have been barreling past all night long. Hopefully they have a bit of a break sometime. And we had a good fire and all that jazz. Great little spot. Lakes over there, all around us actually, on both sides. So yeah, if you're riding through here, definitely stop at this campsite. It's a great spot. Bit of a hike to the dunny, but that's all right. Got a bike, it's fine. Anyway, let's get packing. Scenery out here, so goddamn good. Beautiful stream down there. Could easily spend a couple of days walking up that. One day to come back. Dark looking clouds over there, but they can stay over there, it's totally fine. Legs just trucking on. Sawyer's Hill Hut. It's a really nice hut. Pretty sweet little checkout. Let's have a look. Oh, deluxe in here. Look at this hut. Oh, that's sweet as. What a lovely hut. G'day guys, Galaxy here. Just thought I would interrupt this video just briefly. First of all, thanks heaps for watching. I really appreciate everyone who's watched this series this far. Means a lot to me. And just a little bit of info on this day. So we're riding from 3 Mile Dam down to Adaminaby, and so we're passing where they're building Snowy 2.0. So what you can't see on this video is pretty much every 5 or 10 minutes massive trucks coming both directions, super fast, not slowing down for anyone, not giving cyclists any room at all. It was really sketchy, to be honest. Buses coming up behind you when you're hammering down a hill at 50 k's an hour on the bitumen with, like, you know, metal barriers on the side of the road and nowhere to go. You know, you just got to keep barreling down and hope they don't want to try and pass you on a blind corner with a truck coming the other way, because you know who's going to come off second best there. So yeah, it was a little bit sketchy and not exactly a lot of fun, but as you can see, the scenery was amazing. It just meant that none of us really wanted to stop and really enjoy that scenery. We just wanted to get the hell out of there. But you know, that's the hunt, you know, that's the experience. You've just got to go with what's going there, and you've got to make your own calls on what's okay with you and what's not okay with you. And you know what, we got out of it pretty well, and then in the end we just we went past a turn-off, and it seemed that most of the trucks were coming in and out of this other road, and so the bottom part of the section, the descent was a lot better, and there weren't as many trucks, so that was better, and we just tucked into a bit of a peloton and smashed out the last few k's into Adaminaby and went straight to the bakery with every other bikepacker in town and destroyed the place. So if you're from the Adaminaby bakery, I'd like to apologise for all the cyclists who came in and bought coffees, milkshakes, bacon and egg rolls, whatever they could get their hands on, and just ate everything. They just did not know what hit them. It was hilarious. Anyway, thanks for watching. Awesome, this is day 10 over at Done and Dusted.